Hello! Kami po ang Agsong Ta Song Request. Hi Nanay. Welcome to our birthday travel vlog.
Wow!
Hello! Hello! May mapalakpak sa likod.
Happy birthday to you, shining star, may your dreams come true. No matter how far you
Nico,
Say,
what are you eating?
show tatay what you're eating. Come on.
Wow, happy. Oop. You're eating a fan cake. Wow, nilagay pa sa iyo.
He is eating Jollibee while in McDonald's.
Well, in McDo, eating Jollibee. Hi, Nanay. Happy birthday.
It's my birthday wish. I wish for good health, long life, and a healthy family.
Amen. Ang galing ah! Galing ni Nico ah! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nandito po tayo kasama ang aking pamilya. Magandang gabi, bayan! Where are we, Nico? We are in the Old Heritage Hotel.
Liwanag naman yan. Ganda-ganda ka naman.
Ayo. Kahit sa labas.
Hi, can you say hi? Say hi.
That's Porky and Choppy. Pork chop do.
It does look like them. Kiss sa lips. Kiss sa lips.
Wow! sa haba.
Ano kaya babasahin yung Huawei Watch yung yung elevation game? Kasi di ba merong climb the target yung Huawei. Di ba it can tell how many floors? He's staring at the floor. Hi family! Nico! Hi!
Nico! Nico! Hi! baby. Where are we? In Baguio City with Nanay. Si Nanay akyat bahay. We have to close it. Muntik na po kaming malapa ng aso.
Malapa? Cute naman ang aso na malapa sa'yo. I like these peaceful venues we've been going to so far. Do you remember the usual crowding places like Burnham Park? Or maybe because of the time of the day we also pick?
Left or right?
Laki nito ah. Diyan, where the pasada go? May palawon.
The earth gives sweet water. The emergence of Earth's religious tradition. I think it's parang cultural center nila. Ako na ka kasi ikaw yung host eh.
Oh my God!
That's what she said. Tapos na ata yan eh. Pababa muna nga siguro tayo.
Ito yung daan papunta doon sa babae. Ba't tingnan lang niya tayo dito pinababa? Ayun oh, may gate.
This is not Camp John Hay type of walking. You know what I mean? O sige, baba mo na. Nanay is now dragging the baby. Just to prove her point, we let her do what she thinks is right, which is wrong.
Dito na, nalalagpas yung gagamba.
Nico!
Yan lang ang kailangang bantayan at this side. Hi, tatay! Drink water!
Natakot eh.
Sit here, no? Nico! Sinisili mo siya.
Let's go.
Picture ka with the monkey! Nose.
Hindi po namin na-expect na ganito kahaba to. Akala ko maiksi lang.
Well, it's 100 pesos. It's really worth our money.
Pababa. Ano masasabi mo?
This is...
Tiring?
Yeah, I mean, this is different from Camp John Hay kasi paakit pababa.
Yeah.
Which is good for an aerobic exercise. Think about it as treadmill with ups and downs.
And a 20 kilo baby.
May 15 lang siya, 5 kilo yung bag mo.
Oh, this looks nice. This area. Feeling ko, ito na yun. Ayun, may mga bahay na.
So ni tatay batag. Hindi maganda traction ng shoes. Should have worn the hiking shoes. Nico! Nico! Click! Click! Click, 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 click!
Marami rin pong ginagawa dito sa Baguio.
Ha?
Marami din ginagawa dito sa Baguio
Ano
na construction. Sino po kaya contractor? Si St. Gerard? Hindi. Si Mayor Magalong ang mayor dito. Ha? Bawal ang ghost project dito.
Bili mo na?
Wow!
You want me to get alak? I know what you like now. Hindi pa ako nagpo-phone buong araw. As in, I'm gonna do that now. Kato ba? Tukini ko na.
Conceited lot. Ha? So, ito yung mukha mo. Hi, Nanay! Happy birthday!
Thank you. Advance happy birthday to you too.
Uy, kay tata yan ha. Punta na sa'yo. Uy, ano yun? What's that? Lagay mo dito. Banana bread. Lagay mo dito, nak. Put it in neutral
Yung aso
territory.
ni Ida.
Sino?
It's West.
Hi, Nico. Nico.
Kapag may suka, alam mo, lipat na lang natin kotse natin dito. Dito na tayo kumain. Why does it have to be sa grass?
Old. So, laki naman ng yellow trail. Blue trail ba tayo? Papasok din tayo sa yellow trail. Dito tayo, blue trail tayo. Tapos, pasok tayo ng yellow trail. Pabalik. Dun sa kabila. Tara.
Tapos harap kayo sa akin ni Nico. Nico! Click, 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 click! Ano tatay? Nafi-flip ba to, love? While editing? Nico! Click! Click, 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 click! Na, go!
Ako. Fresh water.
Natatawa si Nico pag nahihirapan ako, love.
Ay, break. Take 5. Bilis.
Look at tatay first. Look at tatay. Walking, 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 walking. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Running, running, running. Now, now, sleep. We are 25 minutes in, and we have only traveled 720 meters because of the baby. The baby keeps on wanting to do stuff. He wants to go to water sources. Most likely one of those Camp John Hay villas that you can rent. Nico, you having fun? Upo, kasi nakaupo lang po ako. Ka?
Lalaglag ka.
Wow! Wow! Clap your hands! Clap your hands, baby! Wow!
Nandito po kami sa Camp John Hay. Kasama ko ang aking asawa.
Hello!
Ang aking baby.
Nico!
Pangalawang beses po namin gawin to. Noong una, maliit pa si Nico. Di pa kaya maglakad. Kaya naman.
Barely stand. No. Hindi pa niya kaya maglakad. Barely
Oo.
stand. That was approximately 8 months, 9 months.
Ngayon, 2 years old na siya. Ayun, buhat-buhat ko pa rin. Awa ng Diyos.
Sabi,
mo
hindi siya
makaka-
mabigat much.
Kala mo makakagaan ka na. Naglalakad na siya. But no. Well, see you next year. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
We are here. In the jungle of the Philippines. The Cordillera Mountains.
No one interrupt the commentary.
There is an animal in bed.
Feeling David Attenborough, you know.
Can you say baby? Come on. Give me some content. Anak. Puro pakyat.
Nakapag-merino lang tayo, no?
Oo.
Buti na inagahan natin kasi umuulan buong hapon kahapon eh.
Yeah.
Mama.
Ayan na, nagsasalita siya pag nagsasalita tayo eh. Alam mo, typical bata sumasabat pag may matatanda nagsasalita.
Galing ah.
Twist! 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 Hop! 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 1, 2, 3, eagle pose!
Lahat triples.
Kapag naka-video ba to? Cannot slip. Not allowed to slip. Hi! Hi! Say hi! Hi! Yes! This is a memorable spot. The reason is, when we were here before Nico was born, there was an earthquake, and the husband and I were here. And that place at my husband's back was making sounds like crazy because of the magnitude 8 earthquake. It was memorable, to say the least.
Alam mo kung anong na-realize ko? Ang sabihin nung ano na yan, nung earthquake na yan, mabubuntis ka. Our world will be rocked.
Say hi.
Hi. Di ako kita.
Ayan. Wala natin ang paraan. Say hi.
Hi. There's a big spider near you.
Where near? Saan?
7 o'clock.
7?
I won't tell you anywhere.
Nasaan?
Oh, sige na.
Nasaan?
Dito. Happy to climb.
Aw, doesn't say anymore. And that marks the end. We are 3.85 kilometers, 1 hour and 42 minutes. This is our birthday food. Pancit, chicken, shamai, baby, nom 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 nom. Tatay, nanay, tantanay.
We're back sa morning kasi